start. Along the recording, I'm sharing the certain things. Listen. Oppression. Oppression means common. Oppression means exploitation. We were the victim of exploitation at the hand of Britishers. And this oppression was in extreme in 1765 to 1835. But the British continued to oppress Indians. Even after the efforts of Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, said that we are your subjects, we are your citizens, you are our rulers. So we also have rights. You should also respect our rights. Only then we shall be able to respect your rights. But still, the British continued to oppress Indians. In 1818, they had passed regulation third. It was the regulation third. Under it, an Indian could be jailed without trial in the court. Without trial in the court, an Indian can be jailed. Extreme of oppression. In the trial in the court, he will speak his favor that it is not my fault. He will present his arguments, but without trial in that court, he will be jailed. Extreme of the oppression it was. All the time, British officers in India drew big salaries and also made fortune in private business. English officers get salary from the taxpayers of India. At the same time, they are doing their private business also. But Indians are suffering a lot. This is going on in our country under the title of oppression. By 1829, Britain was exporting British goods. By 1829, Britain was exporting means sending for business. Sending British goods. So, okay, goods means things produced in Britain worth 7 crore rupees to India. Means the things or the goods manufactured in Britain were being sent to India to sell them. And in this way, what happens? The Governor General Banting reported back home, the bonds of cotton weavers are bleaching the plains of India. The British prospered on the company's loot while Indian industries began to die. Indian industries, cotton industry, small scale industry, they are dying, they are destroyed. But British companies, prospered. They were flourishing, going high and high and high. In this way, the bonds of cotton weavers, in India, cotton weavers were there. They had the high reputation, रेशम की ऐसे ही बुनाई करते थे भारतीय जुलाहे, वेवर्स में जुलाहे कि एक अंगूठी में पूरी साड़ी निकल जाती थी 10 फीट की, 10-15 फीट की साड़ी पूरी निकल जाती थी अंगूठी में. It was great popularity, but their bonds, are bleaching the plains of India. Now, second part is dissatisfaction. Means nobody is dissatisfied. Dissatisfaction means asantosh, not satisfaction. This asantosh, this dissatisfaction means asantosh, lack of satisfaction, was seen in 1835 to 1856. Education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. Persian means Urdu. In 1835, an Englishman named Macaulay suggested a change. Macaulay. Today, what education we are getting nowadays is a result of Macaulay. Macaulay. Macaulay means मैं काला और तुम भी काले बनो. That is, अंग्रेज दिल से चमड़ी से गोरे थे, but Macaulay means मैं काला, हृदय से काला और तुमको भी काला बनाऊंगा. It's the Macaulay education we are getting nowadays. Our education imparted through Sanskrit destroyed by Macaulay system of education. We should teach the natives through the English language. I agree. Only English language was there. and English became the reputed language. One who could speak English at that time was considered a wise man, learned man. English education produced clerks to whom the British gave petty jobs under them. And what is the role of English education? Through English education, they cannot become the officers. They cannot become the IAS officers. They could only become the clerks. And they would have to work petty job under the Britishers. Incidentally, it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. It means English education created what? New generation of what? Intellectuals. Intellectuals means intelligent people. Those who could speak in English but know nothing except in speak English were considered intellectuals. You can see the level of intellectuals. Nowadays also, when before Narendra Modi, whenever our Prime Minister would go to foreign countries, they would speak in English and only. But Narendra Modi started speaking Hindi and Hindi. And he is gaining popularity worldwide because of his values. We must educate our brothers. Our Indians intellectuals felt that we must also educate our brothers and try to improve their material conditions, their physical conditions, their money conditions should be improved. For that, we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. Grievances means our worries, our anxieties should be, we should bring the British Parliament to notice our grievances, our worries, our chinta. Now, by 1856, till 1856, the British had conquered the whole of India. You can see map. The red color, okay, and white, yellow color. British area was of the red color. Red color is more than the yellow color. This was conquered means victorious by the Britishers, won over by the Britishers. I mean the red color was ruled over by the Britain. They cared little about the needs of Indians. Indians' needs, Indian necessities were not looked after by them. Our kings have become puppets and have lost our job, our old jobs. Puppets means Katputliyan. Our kings became Katputliyan at the hand of Britishers. The Britishers were their masters, were their owners, and lands they are converting our brothers. And they are converting our brothers. From Hindu, they are being converted into Christians. So efforts, this education system is changing our culture. Converting means changing. They are changing our brothers. Changing our brothers means they are changing the religion of our brothers. From Hindus, they are being converted into Muslim, into Christians. You only talk, do something to drive them out. And it was fed, you only talk, do something so that English people can be driven out of our country. Hey English, Bharat Chodo, drive them out of the country, do something for this. It was felt. It is a dissatisfaction felt. Now my dear, two parts read. I'm putting the question before you. Now question number 1, I'm putting before you. My dear, what is the role of Macaulay? What is the role of Macaulay here? Who can answer the question?
To make someone.
Yes.
Sir, to make someone like them. Sir, किसी को अपनी तरह बनाना.
Macaulay started new education in our country. Macaulay. Our ancient system of education was destroyed by Macaulay. Earlier education was imparted in Sanskrit or Persian. Macaulay started giving education through English medium. That is the role of Macaulay. And education imparted through Macaulay system could produce only clerk. That is why. How Indian industries died? In what way Indian industries began to die? Whole answer. In what way? किस तरह से Indian industries began to die? भारतीय उद्योग किस प्रकार मरने लगे? In what way Indian industries began to die? Yes.
The Indian industries began to die because there was very heavy tax on Indians,
Very
and
good.
the Indians get very low salary, and there was very service tax to import anything from India to any other country.
Okay. Okay. Now, next thing, my dear, next question from my side. What did the intellectuals feel now? What is the intellectuals of that time? Intellectuals means wise men, intelligent men of that period, the period of 1835 to 56. So, the intellectuals of this period felt what? Yes, who will answer the question?
English.
Yes, answer please. It's your freedom to answer in the language you like better. You know better. You can. Yes, dear. They felt that we must educate our brothers, number one. They felt that we will try to improve their material condition, number two. They felt that we must convey our grievances to British Parliament. They felt so. Now, next question, my dear. How much part of India conquered by Britishers? Can you name, my question, can you name the states on the basis of the map before you? Red map and yellow. Map colored with yellow and red. And now my question is, name the states conquered by Britishers. Name the states. Number one.
समय
Yes.
सर वेस्ट बंगाल,
West Bengal, okay.
द उत्तर प्रदेश,
Uttar Pradesh, very good.
Sir, Haryana.
पंजाब,
Haryana can be, yes. You can tell part of, you can tell part of. Yes. Part of,
Sikkim, sir.
West Bengal,
part of
Maharashtra.
Odisha. Part of Maharashtra, not whole. Part of
West
Tamil
Bengal.
Nadu. West Bengal completely. Right. And I think all the seven sisters conquered.
मेघालय सर, मेघालय.
Okay.
Sir,
Meghalaya also.
Sikkim.
Okay. They were very good. You could tell the name
Bihar.
of the states. That is right. Okay, dear. Now, just a minute. I'm stopping this to share. Just a minute.